So this is the famous HHR Chevy fan unit. You have to go underneath and actually cut this thing out of there. Oh, just a wonderful job. They tell you to do it with a knife. I'll be there till Sunday. So I decided to get my welder gun and get this little cutting bit for it. And that worked a lot better. Even though you can hardly see what's going on in the back. Even if you get almost all the way around, you might not be able to get it back because you can't get in there to even see it. But I just wiggled it around and it came and it broke off. So most of it melted off. Just a little bit on the back side here. What a piece of shit. Whoever designed this, I should fucking smash his face. What a bunch of assholes. What, to save like 3 bolts? Because they only started doing this in the last few years after the model. What an asshole. And I'm an old man of 66 years old. Cocksuckers. There you go. Fucking Chevy fucking junk.